Hi, this is David Marsh with EminiTradingStrategies.com. Today is April 12th, 2011. I get a lot of requests to do blog posts every day and videos every day, and my apologies for not doing it. I take a pretty active role with my trading room and my students, and you know, I do the blog as often as I can, and just haven't had time to really do it lately. But I'm gonna go ahead and put one up today. Try to keep you guys happy. I know a lot of people are interested in my course and they want to keep seeing daily results. And I get questioned, well, do you only post results when you have winning days and not losing trades? And no, the answer is that's obviously not the case. I wouldn't be in business if I conducted myself in that manner. So I just do videos as often as I can. And when I do videos, I show my losing trades. There's no reason I shouldn't show my losing trades. I stand behind my trading system with a guarantee, and I give unlimited support and do the best we can to teach you our system and help you learn how to trade. And I think we do a pretty good job. Anyways, let's talk about today. We did have a losing trade to begin with. By the way, let me back up. We had a one and done yesterday, and last week I think we had two or three one and dones. Even with the low volume and the volatility as low as it is lately, we're still making our money. We're trading a little bit longer into the day. Normally, we're used to trading 20 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day, but lately it's been an hour, sometimes an hour and a half. Today was about 25 minutes. Yesterday was about 5 minutes. So it kind of averages itself out. So we still have about 80% of our days we're done within the first hour. Okay. So anyways, today we had an NSE, normal system entry. Some got a decent fill and they were able to make a one and done. Okay. Most did not. Most lost 3 ticks. We had to reverse. I'm sorry, we had to flatten out right here and lost about 3 ticks, 4 ticks on that trade. Okay. It's hard to exactly know where actually it was right here. Okay. Now, we then had a recovery pullback trade that recovered the 3, 4 ticks we lost. And then we had an NSE coming out of no zone. Now we had no zone right here only for 3 bars. Now during no zone, we don't take any normal system entries, but after no zone, the NSE that follows is considered a high probability trade. That doesn't make it a winner. It's just a higher probability trade. What I like to trade is the EET, which is a short trade here that gets you into the trade, the NSE, before it happens. So right around here, this level here, you get into the NSE normally 4 to 6 ticks before the NSE signals. Good example here. Fill was at 1450. 1450 right here, NSC signal at 1350. So by the time we had the NSC signal, we already have 4 ticks in the money. So then we simply stay in, ride this down for the NSC profit, and we're able to recover and profit off this one trade. Now, one thing I want to talk about is this EET signal right here. Well, how come you're not talking about that? That was a short trade and that was a loser. This is the stop loss. Well, this trade is not valid. Now, Pro Indicator version 2 will plot it on your chart, but it's not a valid trade because our long-term filter had gone long. And during 3 bars of that long-term filter, we have the signal bar that looks just like this, but it's just on a higher time frame chart, a higher tick chart rather. During these 3 bars, in essence, we would not take any short trades. Okay, and this is why, because more than likely they're going to get stopped out. Now, this trade could have moved down 4 or 5 ticks before it stopped out, but it didn't. And bottom line is the rules say we don't trade against the long-term filter, and that's why we didn't take this trade. But we did take this EET here, ran it down into the NSE out of no zone, which, by the way, we call this a super EET. And most got 8 ticks, 9 ticks. 1 or 2 traders got 12, 13, 14 ticks, rode it all the way down. We had strong conviction. We had a report come out at 10 o'clock, so they exited right around 9:57 or so. Got a couple minutes before the report, they closed it right out for beautiful recovery and profitable trade. So that's it for today. I'll, again, try to do as many videos as I can, but feel free to call me or email me if you have any questions. Thank you.